Have you ever wondered what the future of medical technology might look like? Picture this: cybernetic bone replacements that can not only repair severe injuries but also address chronic degenerative diseases. Sounds like science fiction? Well, the future is already here. Bone injuries, from fractures to severe trauma, affect millions of people every year. Degenerative diseases like osteoporosis and arthritis can also degrade bone quality, leading to chronic pain and mobility issues. Traditional treatments, including casting and surgery, have their limitations, often resulting in long recovery times and mixed results. Enter cybernetic bone replacements, artificial constructs designed to replace or enhance human bones. This revolutionary technology offers improved durability and functionality, potentially enabling quicker recovery and a better quality of life. Consider this: a severe leg injury typically results from a car accident. Traditional treatments would have involved multiple surgeries and a long recovery period. However, opting for a cybernetic bone replacement can significantly reduce the recovery time and ensure the regain of full mobility in the leg. Cybernetic enhancements can also be employed to treat degenerative bone diseases. These advancements can replace deteriorating bones, alleviating chronic pain and enabling individuals to return to their active lifestyles. The design of cybernetic bones is highly customizable, allowing for tailored solutions for each patient. However, the implantation of these bones involves sophisticated surgical procedures, and recovery times can vary. There are also ethical and safety considerations to bear in mind. As with any new technology, there are potential risks and challenges that need to be addressed. However, the potential benefits of cybernetic bone enhancements are significant. So, what does the future hold for this technology? Medical experts and researchers are optimistic. As technology continues to advance, the role of cybernetic bone replacements in medicine is set to expand, offering new hope to patients worldwide. In conclusion, cybernetic bone replacements and enhancements represent a significant leap forward in medical science. They offer a promising future for those suffering from severe bone injuries and degenerative diseases, potentially revolutionizing treatment for these conditions. The future of medical technology is here, and it's changing lives for the better.